Hello, hello, hello. I am here to try this fruit jerky solely. I guess the brand name is Solely. Here's the packaging right here. Here's what the product looks like. It is one half an organic pineapple with coconut. It's a non-GMO, 100% vegan, USDA organic down here. And it's 80 calories for one bar. One bar is, pardon, the dog has bronchitis. One bar is 80 calories and one bar is one serving. So, yay! All right, let's get to it, shall we? Okay, I can really smell the pineapple right off the bat. Okay. The texture is nice. It's like if you took the pulp and pressed the pulp into a shape, like fruit pulp. It's kind of texture. It's a little sweet. It's a little tart. It's 100% delicious. Oh yeah. Yeah. I would say this should be a really great on the go snack. Throw a couple of these in the car, in your purse, in your pocket. Very tasty. Very, very tasty. Has 0 sodium. Total grams of carb is 16. 1 gram of fiber. But yeah, it is a little sticky to the touch, but fruit. That should be expected. I will get this again. 100%. And I would recommend it. I would give this a 5 out of 5, which, as you know, doesn't happen very often. These are a pair of earrings that my wife and I made. Figure wearing my tiger shirt, so it matches quite well. You can find this on my merch store. If you go to my link tree, you'll see all my links there. But yeah, I'll see if I can link this below. This is good. I would recommend it. If you were looking for a on-the-go, healthy, flavorful snack, this might be what you've been looking for. If you've ever had this before, let me know what you thought of it. If you have not had this before, does it sound like something you would like? Do you like pineapple? Are you a fan of pineapple? That's all I need to know. Let me know down below, because if you do, I'd say keep your eyes out for this or buy it on Amazon. I'll link it below. Thank you so much for watching this video.